Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This was sent to me by none other than Tri-State EDC, who, if I remember correctly, did not explain himself. I've come to trust, kind of, Tri-State. If he doesn't want to tell me, it's probably something pretty wacky or pretty, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what his intention is here. But I am very intrigued by this. I literally just picked this up this morning and I am itching to get into it. So thank you very much to Mr. Tri-State EDC. If you are not familiar with his channel, do yourself a favor and go subscribe. I mean, if you want to like laugh your head off, you want to watch some awesome knife content at the same time, go subscribe. His channel's great. Excellent, excellent content creator. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I'm assuming this is a knife. I mean, I guess I would hope that it is. But, you know, it could be anything. Sorry, he's got his information and my information all over this. So you have to excuse me for just a moment while I make some quick off-camera cuts. Almost there. And we have something inside of bubbles. Okay, so within the bubbles is a pouch, no, a box. And that looks like, is it EMP? Is it? Oh. No wonder you didn't want to tell me. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? What? Pulls R prototype in Magna Cut. And of course it's in aluminum and Ultem, because why wouldn't it be? This is an OTF. Look how fat this thing is. Oh my gosh. No way. For some reason, the power just, I wasn't expecting that. Oh my gosh, that's the whitest blade I've ever seen on an OTF. Oh, come on. That's so cool. I don't even care that everybody's going to go, pee-pee, that's the color of pee-pee. I know, yeah, and Tri-State let it be known to me that he started that. I thought it was just a bunch of brainless parrots, right, who heard it and then had to say it again. Yeah, so I guess that's what. So I have him to thank for that. But wow, actually, by the way, I like Ultem. I just expect to hear the same comments over and over and over again, as if it's funny. Not the first time, not the second time, not the third time, but the 7,362nd time as well. The exact same thing. So, yeah, PP away in the comments. Boy, that's really crazy. I thought that it would be slow. And I thought it would go clonk, right? No. Is this hollow ground? Good Lord. This is freaking cool, guys. This is super cool. I expect this to be wickedly popular, because now, you know, maybe you just don't like a wide profile, but if you're somebody like me who is interested in looking at anything that's even remotely different from, you know, the oversaturated knife market, which just consists of usually the same thing over and over again, then you will be interested in this too. I cannot express this enough. It really is. Boy, not only is it powerful, it feels really good. Minimal play, very similar to what I experienced with Microtech. Satin finish, super Warncliffe style blade with a hole in it. Just, I think that's the EMP thing. Is there anything here? No, I didn't know if there's anything else there, but wow, super cool. So the implication here is there's probably going to be a few different configurations. Maybe it's not just, I love the buttons Ultem too. It's not just that it's quick and powerful, but it's reliable as well. That is very cool. That is very, very cool. I wonder if he'll have different blade shapes or we're going to stick with the same blade shape. I don't know. Wow. Okay. You guys know this is just an unboxing, not a review. The review will come down the road. But let's go ahead and do specs on it real quick. So the overall length of the Pulse R prototype, boy, it is big. It is 8.35 inches. Blade length is about 3.5. Cutting edge is about 3.25. Not small. How about some size comparison so we can get a decent perspective on this thing? There's up against the Ritter Hogue. How about let's do the Hogue Deca. I think that's probably a good one. There we go. How about something like the Pyrite? We'll do a bunch of them here. Ontario Wrap Model 1. That would be a good one there. Alrighty. And how about the Spyderco Para 3? The PM2. I think maybe for a good example of how tall this is, let's put it up against the 8010, because the 8010 is also a pretty tall knife. It's a little longer, but you can see not by much. Wow. You know what's funny is it's really, the profile is a big rectangle, but it's actually very easy to hang on to. I love that I can see in here. And you can see the springs and the tabs and everything. What a super cool OTF. That is ridiculous. We have to weigh it. Get out my scale. So, and do we have, yeah, just like regular it looks like T8 hardware. So simple, nice simple construction there. The weight is 5.47 ounces, which is about what I expected. Honestly, that doesn't bother me at all. I think that's fine. I think the main benefit to this is we have an OTF where we have a lot of options. Like if he wanted to mess around with blade shapes. I think this is kind of a signature blade shape. I'll take still got the paper that I wrote my name on with the Oz Machine Company pens. We can do a bunch of different blade shapes with this if he wants to. I think this is kind of a signature blade shape of his. But the idea, man. So I'm actually using an OTF that has a beautiful cutting edge. Obviously, paper doesn't prove much, but what we can do here is we have more room for complicated geometries, right? He could do a dagger blade if he wanted to, right? He could do a drop point, but there's more room to get down to a thinner edge, and wow, does that get thin. That is so cool. It's not that hard to actuate either. Look at this. That tip comes right to the top. I can't touch it though. It's literally right there. That is wild. Is it? No. Man, you are really maximizing that there. That is crazy. Look at that. Is there like a spot there where the blade can travel without touching? Must be on the inside. So this is a prototype, so obviously it's subject to change, right? But wow. No idea what these are going to cost. Any information I can find will be linked down in the description. I'm going to take a bit with this one because I got to get some info on it, but you will definitely get a review on it. That's going to be it today, guys. Like I said, links down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.